All right, I'm super excited right now. Just kind of going over the grapes and my garden and stuff, and I noticed this. Second harvest. I'm so happy. This is only a 2-year vine. Second year vine, I wasn't sure if this would happen. I think this usually only happens on more mature vines, so I don't even know if they're gonna go all the way to fruit and yield anything. Ooh, mosquitoes bite me. Anyway, beautiful. So happy about that. Some little flower cluster is about to open. Looks like there's another little flower cluster up here. A few others. So it's probably a month and a half or 2 away from fruit, but yay. Second fruit. Second breakfast. I don't know what that's called. Second fruiting? Second wave of fruit? Anyway, pretty cool.